Alright guys, what's up? So I haven't really recorded today, but it's because it's just been kind of a lazy day, so it wouldn't have been really interesting. So I am going to go with my parents and look at cars for me and see if we have any luck. And then I'm going to hang out with the boys a little bit. I think we're going to go to Lifetime and go rock climbing and swimming. If I can even rock climb. My arms are so sore. And you can't really see. My hands are pretty blistered out. So, yeah, not good. But my arms, I think, are the worst. They're super sore. So, yeah. Not good, but we'll see if I can even, get up a wall. But we'll see. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but yep. I hope it goes good. I may not be able to climb as much, but oh well. I mean, I have been climbing a lot, so my arms are probably just sore and tired. So, yeah. But that's what we're going to do. And first figure out if we can find a car first. If not, then more time I'll get to go spend at the gym. So, yep. But I will see you guys later. Alright, so I just got here to pick up Jason, so he should be coming out in a little bit. And yeah, so I'm hungry. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Alright guys, just got done working out and I'm super sore. My arms hurt, my hands hurt, everything hurts. So I can't decide. I might take a break tomorrow working out because I'm exhausted. So, I don't know. We'll see. It depends. But, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm super sore now. And I think I'm going to take a break tomorrow. I might go. I don't know. I can't decide. Depends on how I feel. I'm pretty sore right now. But, yeah. But I'll see you guys later, guys. So, we just got done looking at cars. And I found, a couple that I wouldn't mind getting. But we're going to go look at another place tomorrow. So, yeah. But, now we're gonna go eat. I think we're eating at a Mediterranean place, but it's what are they called? I don't know, but you get all food that's frozen and they put it on the thing for you and do all that, whatever. So yeah, but we're gonna go do that. And yeah, so that's basically it. So, but I will see you guys whenever I'm done eating because I'm starving. Alright guys, so I'm heading to my cousin's and it's 12:30, I think, and I have to get up in the morning, so it should be interesting. But at least I don't have to get up as early, so that'll be, oh gosh, go person. That'll be nice. So, yeah. But, I do have to shower tonight because since we went swimming tonight, I need to shower. So, yeah. But, So I will see you guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end it here tonight because I'm probably going to go home, shower, and just go to bed. So, yeah. But tonight's question of the day is, if you oh my gosh, if you were stranded on an island with nothing, what is one thing you would bring with you? Okay. What's one thing I would bring with me? Oh my. I don't know. I would probably bring... I wish I could bring a lot of things, but I can't. No, that's not a good question today because I don't really know how to answer that one. If you were going camping, what is one thing that you would absolutely want to bring? I would want to bring matches so I could start a fire, so I can stay warm. So yeah. But let me know. I'd probably bring also like a blanket, flashlight. I wouldn't need my phone because I'd probably bring it, but I wouldn't really need it because you can't really use it. So, yeah. But let me know in the comments what you guys would bring, and don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.